Hello, this is Maeve's Design Corner, formerly Mabel's Tables, and today, guess what? It's Tablescape Tuesday time, y'all. Y'all, I have decided, which I do anyway, to have fun doing what I do on the YouTube. And I just want to have a lot of fun, enjoy doing my tablescapes, and I thank Anna and her host so very much for continuing to have Tablescape Tuesday. Yeah, I don't know why, but when I was making this tablescape, I thought about Captain Kangaroo and Mr. Green Jeans. Anybody remember that? Captain Kangaroo and Mr. Green Jeans. Now I told you this shaking I have went over and tried to stop the shaking, but it has nothing to do with the film is my arm, and I can't stop that. I've tried to go over and edit it and it still come out a little shaky. So please overlook that for me and pray for me that my arms and hands stop shaking. They only shake when I hold something a long time. Okay, so now I'm going to have to say this too. Don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself, and always know that God is alive and well. Oh, honey, this is God's world, and there's nothing we can do about it but continue to pray. Okay, here I go. This is my tablescape for Tablescape Tuesday. Okay, over here on each end, you will see I have green bow and a big white bow with some green florals right in the center of my white bow. And y'all, these white bows, that white bow and the green bow was made from Dollar Tree tablecloths. Yes, I said it. Dollar Tree plastic tablecloths is where I made my bows. And you know you can decorate them any way you want once you get that shape. Okay, so I'm going to come on down. This is a DIY that I made last year here. I found that old picture at the thrift store, and I painted it because it was a nasty color. I washed it out real good and painted it, and I still didn't like the way it looked. So I painted it this color and added the pink shadow on it. Now, when you come on over this way, if you notice, I got my napkin here to match the florals in my placemats. You see my placemats there? Those are just cardboards with flowers going around the edges. And I made these 4 years ago. And I just keep them stacked up back there in my storage room. Boy, my storage room looks a mess. Oh, Lord. But anyways, that's how I did that. Okay, this is a some greenery that I had from the warehouse, and I just put it in a vase and set it up. This is a cup that I hauled from the Dollar Tree. The small cup I got from the Dollar Tree last year. That green cup, I've had that from the Dollar Tree for about 4 or 5 years. You remember when Dollar Tree came out with the green, the yellow, the red, the blue? When they first came out, they had blue, then they had the black. And they even had the little white ones, but I missed out on the white ones and the black ones. But I got a chance to get all of the other colors. And this is a place setting from the Dollar Tree as well. Remember the greenery from the Dollar Tree? Okay, and then here on this side, um, is another setting from the Dollar Tree as well, and they look the same. I put some greenery in this vase here and set that here as well. Now let's go on over and dismantle. Let me see. I'm going to shake a little, y'all, because I'm changing sides. I apologize. Okay, so I'm going to go on over and dismantle this setting over here. This is the little cup that I hauled from the Dollar Tree this year. Oh, last year. Was it? Yeah, it was last year. These are the ones that's really, really old, 4 or 5 years ago, and I put that band there around them. Okay. And then this is the table setting that I got. You remember these dishes that Dollar Tree used to have? Sometimes Dollar Tree have the year on the bottom of these things, that so you can keep up with them. You'll have the year on here. So I'm not sure. Maybe you can see that I don't have my glasses on, but sometimes they have the year on the bottom, and I started noticing that about 4 or 5 years ago. They had the year on the bottom of things that they were selling, so you'll know when you got that. Well, that's the bowl, and this is the saucer right here. Okay, and here is a plate. Okay, and that's my cardboard placemat right there. So I'm going to remake this, put it right here. Here's the saucer. And here is the bowl. I know I have a problem with putting silverware or utensils down. I do the same when I'm setting a table. I like to have my silverware last, because you never know who can hold a spoon and who can hold a fork. Some people have to have adaptive utensils. So setting a table, you have to be kind of um, careful. What I usually do is have a utensil bowl or holder in the color of my table, so that whoever can use what can get what they are capable of handling. And this is my napkin, and I made my napkin the same color as the flower in here, a little darker. So this is my napkin. And y'all start utilizing things so you won't have to spend a whole lot of money on your tablescapes and things. Just utilize what you have. Don't worry about what it looks like, because I promise you, if you get it all together and fix it up, it's going to look absolutely beautiful. So this is my tablescape for Tablescape Tuesday. I'd like to once again thank Honor of the Grace Life DIY Home and Decor. Honor, I really do appreciate all that you do for us to help us get a foothold onto this YouTube thing. Don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself. And always know that God is alive and well. And honey, this is God's world. No matter what happened, who do it and who don't do it, God is still alive and well. And he is totally, totally, totally in charge. May's Design Corner sang, adieu. God bless you. Prayer works, y'all.